Hello my dear students, today we study about the chapter number 1, number systems. In earlier classes we have learnt about the number line and how to represent various types of numbers on number line. And various types of numbers means natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. And in previous class I give the remembering work of number systems, various kinds of number systems. In this class we study about number systems of various numbers. In the number systems we already know how to represent the numbers on number line. First we draw number lines. In number lines we draw the number line. Number line. We draw the straight line by using a scale and give the arrow. ये एरो यहाँ इसलिए हम एरो लगाए हैं क्योंकि ये आगे और बढ़ सकता है, इधर भी, लेफ्ट साइड भी एंड राइट साइड. एंटर द टेक मिडिल पॉइंट 0 and from the 0 when we move from the 0 to right hand side, this side number always increases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. so on. And when we move from 0 to left hand side, numbers always decreases, like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. infinite, and here infinite. It means when we move from 0 to right hand side, numbers are increases 1 by 1, and when we move from 0 to left hand side, numbers are always decreases. Number systems. We revise the numbers systems. In number systems, various numbers. First, natural numbers. What is the definition of the natural numbers? All the counting numbers are known as natural numbers. In our daily life we use to count the things, objects, those numbers are known as natural numbers. And the natural numbers are denoted by the symbol capital N, and the examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, etc. There are so many natural numbers, and the smallest natural number is a 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. And second types of number is whole numbers. What is the definition of the whole numbers? All the natural numbers included with 0. All the whole numbers included with 0 are known as whole numbers, and the whole numbers is noted by the symbol capital W, and the examples are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, etc. and so on. In these whole numbers, 0 is also whole number, and 0 is the smallest whole number, and 1 is the smallest natural numbers. And remember one point, are every natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, these are natural numbers. Every natural number is a one point here. Every natural numbers are whole numbers, but every whole numbers are not natural numbers, because 0 is a whole number. And third, numbers, integers. What is the definition of the integers? Integers means all the whole numbers and negatives of natural numbers. The collection of numbers are known as integers. Once again I repeat the definition of the integers. All the natural numbers, 0 and the negatives of natural numbers are known as integers, and the integers denoted by the symbol capital Z. Why we denote the integers by capital Z? Because Z is a German words, and this Z comes from Zehlan, which means to count. So integer is denoted by the symbol capital Z, and the examples of integers are -20, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, infinite. These are etc. These are examples of integers. All the negative numbers and all the positive numbers and 0 are known as integers. And there are 3 kinds of integers. First one is positive integers. Second one is 0 integer, and third one is negative integers. Positive integers means all the natural numbers 1, 2, 4, etc. These are positive integers. And 0 integer means 0, and negative integers means all the negatives of natural numbers -1, -2, -10, etc. These are negative integers. Next in number system, rational numbers. What is a rational numbers? What do you mean by rational numbers? Rational numbers, a numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not is equal to 0 is called a rational number. once again I repeat the definitions. Rational number means a number which can be expressed or written in the form of P upon Q. Here P upon Q, P is numerator and Q is denominator, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0 is called a rational number, like 4 upon 5, 4 and 5 are integer, minus 6 upon 2, minus 6 and 2 is rational number, minus 7 upon 6 is also rational number, 2 upon minus 4 is also rational number, 1 0 upon 6 is also rational number because 0 and 6 are integer, but 1 upon 0 is not a integers. 1 and 0 are integers, but here let me see, Q does not equal to 0. 1 upon 0 is a not defined, so 1 upon 0 is not a rational number. Rational number is denoted by capital Q. Rational number is denoted by capital Q, and the rational comes from the word ratio. From the word ratio, and the symbol of the rational number capital Q comes from the quotient. And the next number, fifth number. In this chapter we study about the fifth kinds of numbers, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, and another name of the irrational number is irrationals. Irrationals. And what is the definition of the irrational number? What do you mean by irrational numbers? हम irrational number से क्या समझते हैं? irrational number होता क्या है? irrational number means a number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. Irrational number means a number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, means the ratio of integers. Any number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q means the ratio of integers. ऐसा नंबर हम जिसको P upon Q के रूप में नहीं लिख सकते उसको हम irrational बोलते हैं. And then a number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q means the ratio of integers is called irrational number. Irrational number. Examples: root 2, under root 2 or square 2, square root 3, square root 7, pi 0.1 0 double 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 dot 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 is a example of irrational numbers. We know the symbol. This हम ये मान लेते हैं कि ये जो सिंबल है ये is the positive square root number. Positive square root of the number. Suppose square root 4 is equal to, we take always 2, but really real square root 4 is equal to 2 or minus 2. 4 is the square of 2 and also minus 2. Why? Let us see. 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. We get 4. So square root of 4 is 2, and when multiply minus 2 with minus 2 square equal to minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So here also 4 is the square of minus 2. So the square root of 4 is minus 2 also. Sixth, numbers, real numbers. Real numbers, and the real numbers is denoted by the symbol capital R. And what is the definition of real number? What do you mean by real numbers? हम real numbers क्या समझते हैं? Real numbers, all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. All the rational numbers and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. In real numbers, all the rational numbers and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. So examples are 2, minus 1, 4 upon 3, root 2, root 3, pi, 0.1011, 011, 01111, 0, so on are examples of real numbers. In next class we study about the details of real numbers. Today we see the how can find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Next we see the rational numbers between two rational numbers. How can find the rational numbers between two rational numbers? Suppose any two rational number is given, then we find the 5 rational number between two rational numbers, 6 rational number between two rational numbers, and we know there are so many rational numbers between two rational numbers. So many, बहुत infinitely rational numbers, uncountable rational numbers between two rational numbers. Suppose any question, how many rational numbers between 1 and 3? How many rational numbers between 1 and 3? We see only 2. हम ये बोलते हैं कि 1 and 3 के बीच में एक ही रेशनल नंबर है 2, लेकिन ये गलत है क्योंकि 1 and 3 के बीच में there are so many rational numbers between 1 and 3 like 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, etc. These are rational numbers between 1 and 3. Some questions. See some question. Let's see how we can find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. हम कैसे निकालेंगे रेशनल नंबर्स दो रेशनल नंबर के बीच में. वी नो देयर आर सो मेनी रेशनल नंबर्स, इनफिनिटली अनकाउंटेबल रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन टू रेशनल नंबर्स. See the question number 1. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 4. Find क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. फाइंड 5 रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 2 and 4. हम क्वेश्चन को देखते ही बोल देंगे कि इसमें एक ही रेशनल नंबर है 2 के बाद 3, लेकिन देयर आर सो मेनी रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन 2 and 4. सो हाउ कैन फाइंड 5 रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन 2 and 4? बाय यूजिंग मीन मेथड. बाय यूजिंग mean method. First rational numbers, middle rational number, middle rational number of 2 and 4 इज इक्वल टू मिडिल रेशनल नंबर्स 2 and 4 के बीच में जो मिडिल रेशनल नंबर होगा पहले हम निकालेंगे उसको 2 + 4. जिसके बीच का निकालना है उसको परहेज कीजिए. ऐसे निकालेंगे उसको 2 या 2 है 2 देन प्लस 4 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 + 4 6 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 3. First rational number between 2 and 4 is 3. 2 and 4 ये हो गया यहाँ पर 3. Then we find the rational numbers between 2 and 3 is the rational number between 2 and 4 also. Rational number between 2 and 3 is equal to 2 + 3 upon 2 is equal to 5/2. The middle number is 5/2. Next, rational number between 3 and 4 is equal to 3 + 4 upon 2 equal to 3. 3 + 4 equal to 7 upon 2 is the rational number between 3 and 4. First rational number, second rational number, third rational number. We have to find two rational numbers. Then next, rational number between, we take two rational numbers. आप 2 और 5/2 के बीच में निकाल सकते हैं, 5/2 और 3 के बीच में निकाल सकते हैं, 3 and 7/2 के बीच में निकाल सकते हैं, 7/2 and 4 के बीच में निकाल सकते हैं, या 5/2 and 7/2 के बीच में भी निकाल सकते हैं. We find the rational numbers between 3 and 7/2 is equal to 3 + 7/2 upon 2. 3 plus 7 upon 2 upon 2. How can solve this? 3 plus 7 upon 2. So 3, we can write 3 as a 3 upon 1 plus 7 upon 2 upon 2. On cross multiplication of both rational numbers, we multiply 3 by 2 plus we multiply 7 with 1, then after we multiply 1 with 2. We solve this type of rational numbers in addition or subtractions by using cross multiplications. First rational numbers numerator multiply with the second rational number denominator, and the second and rational numbers numerator multiply with the first rational number denominator. So how can solve this question? 3 multiply with 2, 3 into 2 प्लस अगर यहाँ पर माइनस हो तो माइनस करते प्लस 7 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1 अपॉन 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 2 जा 6 प्लस 7 इंटू 1 7 अपॉन 2 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 6 प्लस 7 13 upon 2 divided by 2. 13 upon 2 divided by 2 means 13 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 1 is equal to 13 upon 2 into, we find the reciprocal of this number, 1 upon 2 equal to 13, 1 ja 13 and 2 2 ja 4. 13 upon 4 is the rational number between 3 and 7 upon 2. 3 and 7 upon 2. Next, one rational number is remain. Rational number between rational number between 13 upon 4 and 4. Rational number between 13 upon 4 and 4 is equal to 13 upon 4 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 13 upon 4 plus 4 upon 1 divided by 2 is equal to 13 1 ja 13 plus 4 4 ja 16 divided by 4 1 ja 4 divided by 2 equal to 13 plus 16 29 upon 4 divided by 2. 29 upon 4 divided by 2 is equal to 29 upon 4 divided by 2 upon 1 is equal to 29 upon 4 into the reciprocal of 2 upon 1 means 1 upon 2 is equal to 29 upon 8. So the 5 rational numbers between the 5 rational numbers between 2 and 4 are 3, 5 upon 2, 7 upon 2, 13 upon 4 and 29 upon 8. There are so rational numbers between 2 and 4 we cannot count, but here question asks write the 5 rational number, so we write the answer. So the 5 rational numbers between 2 and 4 are 3, 5 upon 2, 7 upon 2, 13 upon 4 and 29 upon 8. Next question, we see the next question. Question number 2. find two rational numbers between -1 and 3/2. How can find two rational numbers between -1 and 3/2? Means here -1, here -3/2. We find the rational numbers between -1 and 3/2 by using mean method, average method. First we find the rational numbers between -1 and 3/2. Then after find the other rational numbers between numbers. Solve by using main method. By using main method. By using main method, rational numbers, rational number between -1 and 3/2 is equal to -1 plus 3/2 divided by 2 is equal to -1/1 plus 3/2 divided by 2 is equal to -1 multiplied 2, -1 into 2 -2 plus 3 1 is 3 upon 1 2 is 2 divided by 2 is equal to -2 plus 3 1 upon 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is the rational number between -1 and 3/2 is first. For practice questions, question number 1, find two rational numbers between -3 and -4. Question number 2, find 5 rational numbers between 0 and 4. Question number 3, find 4 rational numbers between 0 and -6/7. Question number 4, find 3 rational numbers between 2/3 and -2/3. More remember point, n is a natural numbers, w is a whole number, z is a integers, q is a rational numbers, and r is a real number. Then every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number, because 0 is a whole number but not natural number, and every whole number are integers. Every whole numbers are integers and every natural numbers are also integers, but every integers are not a whole numbers and not natural numbers, and every integers are rational numbers, and every whole numbers is also rational numbers, and every natural numbers are also rational numbers, but every rational numbers is not natural numbers, whole numbers or integers. And here r is here real numbers, r is here real numbers. Irrational, every irrational number is a real number and every rational number is are real numbers, but every real number is not a irrationals, or every real numbers are not a rational numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day.